Couple things. One is you pull out, that little cat-like footwork, hit, and then you step forward to your hit.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
As it comes in, I want you to zone, and I want you to be cutting and pulling it all in one motion. It feeds it, I gotta come back. Notice how my body pipes, see the footwork? And then this is all gonna be one motion, because I cut the bicep, and I'm gonna then go back into what range? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lop, and I'm gonna cut. Now as I cut, notice what I see a lot of people, they cut here, and they're just doing this, and they're coming back on. Okay? But you probably feel too when you're sitting with your body, you're not necessarily in the great position. So when I pull and cut, what's what I do is my foot stepped in. Because now I can either shove them or I'm in closer. So as we feed it, couple things. One is you pull out, that little cat-like footwork, hit, and then you step forward to your hit. Okay? So see, I'm just changing up the body for me to hit to that one, and then I'm just going to step back a little bit, and then we're just going to go back in the hula. Okay, and the thing I want is cut, hit, and back into there. So just put it back into this motion. So I just kind of let it flow. Don't get it going too fast. Get it cutting to hitting, and just pull in. When you pull down, cuts the left, and once you circle around it, okay? Once you circle around it, I just want you to check it and pull it out, okay? And then just feed right back in. It's just to break the rhythm. So if he goes left, pull around, check him off, and pull back up. One thing, do it one more time to the left. If he pulls up and go around, make sure this hand is downwards. So you're not going and accidentally coming upwards because it's a double edge. So pull out this way and then go this way. If he comes out with the right hand, obviously, cut. Okay? So now you just got a second little broken rhythm in there that if he has to pull that hand, you just want to check off and come back out this way. Okay? Make sure that, feed the left. When you zone again, you bend at the waist to check out. See how low the footwork is? Okay, because I'm framing that, because if all of a sudden the right went to come in, I can zone off that and go back into my heel. Throws out with his left hand, okay, I can skate back and pull out to here and come back. Sometimes though, he throws with his left hand and coughs up and I'm getting caught inside. So I want you to go here and then just feed back up. Okay, so watch, as the left hand comes out, he feeds the front, I'm getting caught, so I just like kind of outside parry it. As I outside parry it, I put in the little redondo and come back in. So as he feeds it, they'll watch. Here, this comes up. As this cuts, my hand turns over. Because you're going to feel, as this hits, when you cut out this, a lot of times you're going to feel that blade come across here. Okay, maybe it does nothing because it's not a double edge, but maybe it does. But the habit has to be to switch that hand over. So he feeds off the left, move out this way and hit it. Feeds off the left, this way. Okay? So we're going to go outside, inside, inside, outside. And go here, 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 here. Okay? Once you've done outside, inside, inside, outside, then you're going to go outside, outside. Inside, inside, okay? Then you're going to go inside, inside, outside, outside. Okay, so just, it follows the arms. Outside, inside, inside, outside. Okay? Then you're just going to move it to inside, inside, outside, outside, and then just keep switching around so you find all variation. Alrighty?